Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to optimize network for zero delay. Ping is a simple and effective way to measure network latency. It calculates the round-trip time between your computer and server or website. For Windows, open the command prompt, type cmd in the search bar. Then type ping space yourdomain.com. Just replace yourdomain.com with the domain name or IP address you wish to test. Now, look for the line displaying the average RTT. This represents the latency between your device and the destination. So, using speed test to measure latency. It's a graphical interface to measure latency or ping. Visit Speedtest's website or use the Speedtest app. Click on the Go button to start the test and review the ping value displayed in the milliseconds or ms. By combining ping and traceroute, you can measure latency and pinpoint any network problems effectively. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.